Hey, here we go. Euro USD. What do we have? Here we go on New York session. Okay, let's just get everything nicely done. In fact, I took this trade not so much because of the OTE, although you can see here you are a nice setup. But besides that, take a look at where I actually took my buy. All right, I took my buy at this point here. If you recall my other video that I showed just maybe a few hours ago, there will always be a reaction to this thing over here. Stop loss will be down here, right? Or down here, right? There's an order block here, so it'd be quite safe here. But over here, there's also quite a lot of there'll be a reaction if it ever come down here. You see all the lines that I had, and so that's why I put my buy here, and this is exactly what I showed as well in the pound USD. Don't ignore all this part, right? This is where I took my trade when price came down here, hit this point, and it went up. So I got about 12 pips there. And now on the euro, right, we are at about 18, or hopefully it goes a little bit higher than that. But either way, that's what I was trading, and you can have quite a stop that's quite tight, because usually if it's gonna go much lower than this area here, it's unlikely to be a profitable trade. Besides that, we know that it's still, its bias is on the upside. It already took all the liquidity early on, and it's going on to the higher one, I think sometime pretty far back in the last few years or something, the high. So anyway, the US dollar index is really weak, so we are expecting price going up. So just a quick trade again. You can see just using market structure, no indicators or anything like that. Just reaction to where price will go. I want to share actually something on pound, if you don't mind. So actually over here you have another structure, but this one is a bit large, right? So I actually took this, but I came up with a small loss. I can show it to you. No, a small win or a small, yeah, actually I have a small, yeah, here you go. Well, actually it's a 1 cent. I have a 1 cent loss here, right? You see I took it a buy here, and I got impatient because it was really slow moving, so I got out. But actually I actually drew an order box here. You can see where I had my initial stop loss, but I abandoned this trade for basically a break even. But well, price went, and I still had this line here. So this line is important. So what happened, you always see this, so it's up to you to study this price structure, right? If you have a large candle, I call it cutting a major turning point of the day, of the week, or whatever it is, price will always come down, react, right? How far it goes, we don't know. But if price then breaks that same price, that level, it will come, and it will have a reaction. If you look at the 5 minutes over here, you see that it came here and it had a reaction of almost 10 pips. So it's always good for a scalp, right? And however, the order block is here, then it will continue going up. So this is one of the patterns that you should see, right? It goes, it comes, right? So imagine over here it broke, right? So don't worry, right? If this candle breaks, you expect it to come back up here, and you will have a reaction. And then after that, well, whether it goes up or it continues going down, you don't know. But you take in whatever profit you can. Don't expect a lot of pips, and just take what the market gives, right? So That's some very simple price structure trading. If you you'll get used to it, you take a look at it. So hope you found it useful. Do subscribe. Bye.